Okay, so for part A of question 10, we just need to solve in exactly the same way that we would solve an equation. So I would add 6 to both sides. Giving this, I would then divide both sides by 7, giving x is less than or equal to 2, and that's it. For part B, I would first of all take away 3x from both sides, which gives 2, 4x minus 4. I would then want to add 4 to both sides, giving 4x. We can then divide both sides by 4, giving 6 over 4 x. This then can be written as 3 over 2. Now, finally, this is saying that 3 over 2 is greater than or equal to x. To give the solution for your inequality, it's better to write the x first. And so if 3 over 2 is greater than or equal to x, it follows that x is less than or equal to 3 over 2, like that. Finally, part C. So part C is a quadratic inequality. So to start off with, you'd want to find your critical values. And your critical values we're going to get by factorising. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply to make negative 28 and add to give 12. So those numbers are going to be x plus 14, x minus 2, like that, and therefore our critical values are going to be a minus 14 and at 2. Now at this point you need to sketch the graph for quadratic inequality. So I'm just going to sketch out super roughly a quadratic graph with a root at minus 14 and a root at 2, something like that, and it's a positive quadratic, so it's going to look something like that, just a bit better. Now we are looking for where our graph is above 0, okay, because it's more than 0. So our graph is above 0 here, and it's above 0 here. So because of that, because those two little lines I've just drawn are just disjointed, our final solution is going to be written as two separate inequalities. One of those inequalities is going to be that x is smaller than minus 14. X is less than minus 14, because x could be, say, negative 15, negative 16, negative 17, and so on. And then my other solution is here at the point 2. And at this time round, x is going to be bigger than 2, because it could be x could be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc., etc. And so this here is our final solutions for part C.